guys, it's me, Toy Freddy, and all my friends. So we're gonna play Granny Chapter 2. Now we can actually hear us. Can you hear us? Please tell me you hear us. But we're gonna make a Granny video, and we're gonna do it. What the hell? I heard there's a new route and a way to escape this place. So you guys ready? Yeah, dude. I've been waiting all week for this. What? But what do you mean? I've been waiting to make a video on Granny. But he never said that. He never said that, Baby Peach. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, we're ready. I'm ready. Well, okay. So, Bonnet, you're playing or I'm playing? I don't care. I just want to play. Okay. So, yeah, it's obviously going to be on hard. Hey, I saw that. That wasn't on hard. That was on easy. Shut up, Bonnet. Shut up. Stop. Let's get ready, guys. Okay. Oh God, I haven't made a Granny video. I haven't been in a video in a long time.
No, you don't.
Exactly. Where were you? I was just sitting, staring at a wall, like I usually do, and usually poop in the corner.
What? Ew.
What is wrong with you?
Open the shower. Ew. Hey guys.
We're ready. Let's go.
Okay. Where Granny goes? Is Granny here?
Okay, so I'm upstairs.
Oh, here's this.
Okay, there's nothing up. Okay, oh, I forgot.
Oh, where is
Granny
that?
usually stops up here, right? Oh God, oh God, oh God, she's right there. And Grandpa's right there. Ow! God dang it! What are you doing, Amaya? What are you doing? Oh God, Grandpa's so ugly.
What?
Like he looks nothing compared to me. I'm like so beautiful. I am so perfection. I am just basically made from the most precious diamonds of the earth. Shut up! Just shut up! Just shut up, dude. You're ugly as frick. You're the ugliest thing I've ever seen. Let's go.
Yeah, dude. No doubt. Just no doubt.
Yeah, just stop. Hey, shut up! I'm beautiful.
You're ugly.
Oh, you
You really just look like my ex-wife.
You don't have an ex-wife, Pikachu.
What? Nothing?
I can't do that. Why did they make this?
Okay, Bonnet gets got him. Oh, the helicopter manual. What? You can now control the helicopter. Is it a helicopter?
No.
What? That's so cool. Yeah, wait. I want to be in here. Okay, where did the helicopter go? Where did Grandpa go? Why is there a picture of Grandpa? It's just like in the first game, they have pictures. So I wonder what that's for. We need to go upstairs. I think there's something new upstairs, not downstairs.
No, go down.
Frick that. I'm just going down. I'm just going. Go. Go. Tell ya, Grandpa. Oh God. Why?
I'm getting
I'm so screwed. Hey, Granny. Grandpa, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Shoot. Go. What is this corner? Grandpa can't see me. Shoot, he see me. Give him the jukes. Run. Okay. Nothing here. Nothing over here. Oh, there's a bear trap. Granny's evil. Who puts a bear trap on the stairs? I forgot. Granny. Because she's a demon. Okay. Nothing to... Get out the way. No! Get in! That scared the frick out of me. I'm not playing anymore. Okay. But when I get to the helicopter, I'm playing. Okay. Jeez. Okay.
No, we're not doing that.
Who's the helicopter? Gee! I was wanted to ride a helicopter. Stop screaming, Omar. What are you doing?
No.
Granny is blind.
Oh, she's not.
She's blind.
Oh, she's not.
How does she even see out of her eyes?
What?
She doesn't even have pupils.
Oh, she's not.
Oh, what?
Yes, she is.
What?
Yes, she is.
What does that even... Okay.
No, she's not.
Open the door. Why are you screaming?
Yeah.
What's going on? What's in the middle one? There's nothing really in here. Not the wrench, nothing.
No. No, it's not.
Nothing in here either.
Yes, it is.
Nothing there.
No,
A door. Oh, a door lock. Yeah, that's good, I guess. I need to go back upstairs. Run, 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 run. She's probably back there. Ooh! I'm about to fight you, Grandpa. I'm about to freaking get.
I want to put this one.
Okay.
Hey.
God dang all these stupid ads. Ah!
Oh, that's
Why?
it.
Why? Guys, it's day 3. We are so screwed. Oh, frick. Stop showing your face. Go on. Okay, okay. Don't ask why our Christmas tree's still up. Okay, guys. Okay, Baby Peach or Amaya. I don't know who's talking right now. But
Me.
who?
Me.
Okay, it doesn't matter. What's in the microwave?
I'm going
What's in here? Oh, I love this song. Get out of my way. Oh, God dang it. That was a good song. Oh. Wow, I didn't know they had this song in here. Wow. What's in here?
That's a super, melee song.
What? Melee? What?
Aaron, play it again.
Hey, stop breaking the fourth wall, Ma. You need to stop doing that. Gasoline!
I'm not.
Gasoline? Can we drink it?
Ew, no.
Oh, gasoline. Can we drink it? No, why would you want that?
Why you want to
Because
drink
gasoline tastes good, dude. You drank gasoline before? Yeah, of course I did. Who hasn't? Well, you're not wrong. Everyone eats gasoline. Don't do it. Don't do that. It's evil. You, yeah. Okay, nothing's in here. What am I supposed to do? There's chicken. I'm so scared. Cause I don't know. Granny, you're blind. I was right there. Hi, Granny. Your singing is horrible. Okay. Oh, I forgot. She's still chasing me. These. What am I supposed to find here? Oh, I think I know where to go. Here we go. Ooh. Go under there. Yes! Yes! I found it! I'm about to kill some Granny. It's the... I forgot what it was called. A taser? A stun gun. Yeah. The stun gun's in here. That's perfect. Shoot. Okay. Granny's right there, right? She should be right here, right now. Granny, come on. I know you want to be in here to kill me.
I had it. But I'll make it on my head. How about make it on my head?
Is that you, Granny? Take this, Granny. What? It didn't even hit her. Oh, I'm stuck in here now. It didn't even... Did everyone else see that? Did everyone else see that? Yeah, I wasn't even looking.
I saw that.
Yeah, I saw that. So my beautiful eyes saw it. But it just went through them. You're not beautiful, but you're right.
Mother.
She must be on the highest levels of drugs.
I just saw that.
You did?
Well, what's hiding?
Why were you hiding? Why are you scared?
I'm nothing.
You just, what? What? Okay, I got the stun gun thing. Now I need to shoot Granny. She was playing the piano. I knew it. She was playing the piano.
Oh.
Look, what is that?
Oh.
Oh, this is good. This is cool. This is cool. I like this.
I'm scared.
Wait, but I can't find Grandpa though. I'm scared.
Me too. I'm hiding.
Grandpa? Is it hello? Is it me you're looking for? Hello? Is it me you're looking for? I can see it. Open the door.
I'm gonna sleep.
Open the door. Grandpa, are you in there? Seriously, I didn't need to kill you. I know that sounds bad, but they're trying to kill me with a guillotine. They're trying to kill me with all that stuff.
What? I did.
Probably gonna kill me with the helicopter or something. That they have. I don't know where Grandpa is.
I have one, but.
And I need to find Grandpa because then the security. I need the security key. Grandpa, are you down here? Grandpa? Grandpa's down here. He's right down here. He's feeding. Oh! Oh my God! He was about to kill me. Oh my God!
No!
Wow! Ha! Take that, Grandpa.
I am scared.
Give me that. Give me that.
Okay, here.
Give me that. Give me that thing. Okay, I got it. Breaking the fourth. Okay, now that we got Amaya stop breaking the fourth wall, who's gonna play? Cause I literally just crap my pants. Cause I Granny's probably up now. I play, dude, cause I'm not scared of anything. I am like the best. Yeah, right. I'm the most Granny player. Shut up, Pikachu. You're trash. Let's do this. Okay, dude. I'm going upstairs to put the security key in the door. What the frick was that noise? It doesn't matter. Who's that? Okay. I'm going. Knocking everything down. Get in. Go up the stairs. Go up the stairs. Go up. Oh, okay. Nothing here. Oh, it's the crowbar. Yes! The crowbar's in here. Oh, what's that? There's a new door here. What is this for? Oh, yeah, I know this room. Okay, what is this the boat key? I don't need the stupid boat. I need I don't know. I just need this weapon key at least. That's my favorite weapon. Granny's up. Run. Oh, shoot. I didn't know she was up already. I knew it. I just said that. Never mind. Need to go to the basement and get the crowbar thing. Run. Dude. I'm scared. You just said that you weren't scared. Shut up, Pikachu. You're scared too. Hey, no, I'm not. You're just lying. Ooh, the safe key. Ooh. Oh, now Granny's coming up here. I mean, down here. What's up, Granny? Ah, dang it, she's blocking my only way to get there. What the frick? Okay. What? Cutting pliers? What? I don't need that. Oh, no. This is scary. Nope, it's not in there. What's up, Granny? Wanna catch these hands? I need to get over there though, but I don't know where the wrench is. Okay. Oh, press the door. Okay, dude, I don't want to play anymore. Run! Get underneath it! God! Dang it. I missed it. What did you miss? I heard the song. Grandpa was listening to the music and he was dancing. Wow. We missed that. Great. Bon, go get him. No, wait, stop. Stop doing that to the camera, dude. You need to stop. Okay, dude. Get out of freaking way, Joseph. Now let's do this. What is the wrench? Is the wrench in here?
No.
Okay. I'm scared. Get away from me! No! I don't know where to go. Who was that behind me? I don't know. I think that was Grandpa.
Huh?
I don't know who that was, but that was definitely someone. I heard that. Go upstairs! Oh my God! Oh, Jesus. Okay. Dang it, something's blocking the way. Okay, I'm up here. Nothing can get me up here. What is the wrench? I don't need that stupid bolt key. Ha ha ha! Now, Granny, go check that out. I don't know what we're supposed to do. We can't escape from the helicopter because I can't find anything. We need to find the wrench. Oh, God. Oh, God. Okay, guys. Okay, get out the freaking way, snitch. Okay. So, we're gonna have to make a part 2 because I do not know what to do. And later. See you later, people. Bye, guys. Everyone say bye. Bye. I didn't get to see a helicopter today. You know what that means.
What?
What does that mean?
Wait.
Oh, yeah. We got to see a fight. Bye, guys. See you later. Bye.